Hello and welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can onboard devices into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. And as always, I ask you, if you like what you see on the channel, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're aware of all of the new videos that are being uploaded. Be sure to like, share, comments are always welcome, and check out the description below for the link to our community Discord server so that you and I can continue this discussion. All right, without further ado, everybody, let's dive in. All right, everybody, here we are on my Windows desktop, and I have logged into the Microsoft Defender admin portal here, and what we want to do is onboard a device into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. So what we're going to do is scroll down. We're going to expand out System all the way down here at the bottom, and we're going to choose Settings. And when we choose Settings, you will see that we're going to go from here, we're going to go to Endpoints. So I'll select that. And we're going to scroll down all the way down to the bottom under Device Management. You're going to see Onboarding. We want to select Onboarding. And this gives us the ability to generate a onboarding script based on the operating system that we want. I'm going to leave Windows 10 and 11 here. And then we're going to pick our connectivity type. Do we want a standard connectivity type? Do we want streamlined? And you can pause the video and review those if you would like. And then we scroll down and we figure out what our deployment method is going to be. What is your software distribution solution here? I'm going to go ahead for this demonstration. Makes it easy. Do a local script. Keep in mind that this is very decentralized method. Notice 10 devices. That's Microsoft's hint for use this in peer-to-peer deployments or workgroup deployments. Anything more than that, you're going to want to do a centralized electronic software deployment. But we'll go ahead and choose the script. All right, then the next thing we have to do is download the onboarding package. When we do that, you're going to see that it downloads locally. And we can see here that we've downloaded our zipped file. And that is the Gateway Windows Defender ATP onboarding package. And inside of that is this little CMD file, little command script that now what we're going to do is take that over to our Windows device, and we're going to run that so that we can start to provision and we can onboard it into the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint platform. All right, everybody, here we are on the desktop of the machine, the Windows 11 device that I want to enroll into the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. I'm going to go ahead and right-click and choose an administrative level command prompt here. We'll switch over to our command prompt. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the desktop where I have our little onboarding script that we downloaded here. So let's just go ahead. We'll change locations here, and I'm going to go ahead and I will run that script. Now it's going to ask me ahead of time. It's going to ask me, hey, you want to confirm that if you want to do this? I'm going to go ahead and type Y for yes, and we're going to let this start to run. It's going to find out if we have an administrative level command prompt, and it's going to go through the process of onboarding our device into the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. We'll go ahead and press the any key here. And then the next step is we have to run a connection test to verify that this device has been successfully onboarded. And to do that, we're going to navigate back over to the Microsoft Defender admin portal. All right, here we are back on the Microsoft Defender admin portal, and we have successfully finished step one, onboarding the device. And now what we're going to do is run the detection test. And in order to do that, we're going to just go ahead and copy this little script. We'll take that back over to our Windows device that we enrolled into the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. We're going to run that, verify that we don't have any errors, to verify that we've been successful in our onboarding attempt. All right, and here we are on the Windows 11 device that we've onboarded, and we just want to make sure that it doesn't return any errors. So we've copied that script that we've seen over in the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Admin Center. What we're going to do here is we'll just select this. We'll go ahead and paste this in here, and we're going to go ahead and run it. Now, you'll see initially it'll close down the command prompt, but notice that we didn't get any errors back, and after a bit it's going to let us know. We'll get a little notification that lets us know that we've been onboarded into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. So one of the final steps here is just to verify visibility inside of our infrastructure, and we're going to navigate back over to the Intune Admin Center to view our onboarded device. And finally, to verify that our device is successfully onboarded into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, I have logged into the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, and we're going to navigate to Endpoint Security. And then under Manage, we're going to scroll down until we see EDR, or Endpoint Detection and Response. And under Endpoint Security, EDR, or Endpoint Detection and Response, we have Summary. We can see the Defender for Endpoint connector status. We can see that it's available. I can also see right here that we have Windows devices onboarded to Defender for Endpoint. Notice I can see that I have one device onboarded, one device that is not onboarded. And that's a total of 2 devices. You can also set your EDR policies here as well too, but I'm not worried about that. We can tackle that in another lesson. Now, next we can look at the EDR onboarding status if we want to see those devices that are onboarded versus the devices that aren't onboarded. So there you have it, a very easy way to onboard your devices into Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Keep in mind that if you like what you see here on the channel, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're aware of all the things that are coming up on the channel. Remember to like, share, and comments are always welcome, and check out the description for the link to our community Discord server so that we can keep this conversation going. Thank you so much for taking the time and joining me.